What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be heading to the Northeast International Auto Show at the Dunkin' Donuts Center in Providence. We're going to be getting some awesome shots of the new cars and hopefully some awesome video footage. So I'm taking you guys along for the ride with me on the way there and while we're inside. So let's go. Hey guys, we just got back to the mall right now. We just got some food because we are starving. We walked around the auto show for about an hour and a half. I did get some awesome photos and some sick shots, and I did meet some new people. So we're gonna eat right now and we'll see you guys later. Yeah, we changed our mind. We want a pinkberry too. That's it for today, guys. If you did enjoy watching this video, don't forget to smack the like button. It does mean a lot to me and it does help out the channel. Subscribe if you aren't already, and I will hope to see you guys in the next one.
Oh, FYI, you'll probably never remember this, but I have a whistle in my bag in case we ever are in trouble.